From research to biotechnology, medical science drives innovation in healthcare. In this lesson, we'll explore essential terms that describe medical advancements, treatments, and studies. With definitions, examples, and images, let's talk about the language of medical science. Biochemistry is noun. The branch of science that explores the chemical processes and substances occurring within living organisms. The study of the chemical compounds and reactions involved in biological processes. The biochemistry of DNA replication is a fundamental aspect of genetics and molecular biology. The pharmaceutical company conducts research in biochemistry to develop new drugs and treatments for diseases. She pursued a degree in biochemistry with a focus on molecular biology. Understanding the biochemistry of metabolism is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The biochemistry of photosynthesis involves complex chemical reactions within plant cells. Epidemiology is noun. The branch of medical science that deals with the study of patterns, causes, and effects of diseases and health-related events within populations. The scientific discipline that focuses on identifying and analyzing the distribution and determinants of health and disease conditions in specific populations. Epidemiology plays a crucial role in tracking and controlling the spread of infectious diseases. Epidemiology provides valuable insights into public health interventions and policies aimed at reducing disease burden and improving population health. Epidemiologists study outbreaks of foodborne illnesses to identify the source of contamination and prevent further cases. The field of epidemiology relies on statistical methods and data analysis to draw conclusions about disease risk factors and transmission dynamics. Researchers in epidemiology investigate factors such as demographics, behaviors, and environmental exposures to understand disease patterns. Pharmacology is noun. The branch of medicine and biology concerned with the study of drugs and their effects on living organisms, including their absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. The science that deals with the properties, uses, and effects of drugs, both synthetic and natural, on biological systems. Pharmacology plays a crucial role in the development of effective treatments for various diseases and conditions. She decided to pursue a degree in pharmacology to better understand how medications interact with the body. The professor's expertise in pharmacology contributed to groundbreaking discoveries in drug development. The research team conducted experiments to investigate the pharmacology of a new antibiotic compound. Understanding the principles of pharmacology is essential for healthcare professionals to prescribe medications safely and effectively. Hematology is noun. The branch of medical science that deals with the study of blood, blood-forming organs, and blood diseases. The scientific study of the physiology, pathology, and treatment of blood and blood-forming tissues. The conference brought together experts in hematology to discuss the latest research and developments in the field. The hematologist specializes in diagnosing and treating disorders of the blood and bone marrow. Hematology laboratories play a crucial role in analyzing blood samples for abnormalities and diseases. Advances in hematology have led to better understanding and management of conditions such as leukemia and anemia. The textbook covers various topics in hematology, including blood cell morphology and coagulation disorders. Toxicology as noun. The branch of science concerned with the effects, detection, and treatment of poisons or toxic substances on living organisms. The study of the adverse effects of chemicals on biological systems. The forensic toxicologist analyzed blood samples to determine the cause of death. Toxicology reports revealed high levels of arsenic in the water supply, prompting a public health alert. The field of toxicology plays a crucial role in drug development, ensuring the safety and efficacy of pharmaceuticals. Environmental toxicology investigates the impact of pollutants on ecosystems and human health. The toxicology lab conducts tests to identify and quantify toxic substances in various samples. Psychiatry is noun. The branch of medicine that deals with the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of mental disorders and disturbances of behavior. The specialized field of study concerned with understanding the causes, nature, and treatment of mental illnesses and psychological disorders. Psychiatry emphasizes the importance of both biological and environmental factors in understanding mental illness. Psychiatry is the branch of medicine focused on diagnosing and treating mental disorders. Advances in psychiatry have led to improved treatments and interventions for a wide range of psychiatric disorders. The hospital has a dedicated psychiatry department staffed with trained professionals to provide mental health services. He decided to pursue a career in psychiatry after witnessing the positive impact of therapy on his friend's mental health. Physiology is noun. The branch of biology that deals with the study of the normal functions and processes of living organisms and their parts, including the physical and chemical mechanisms underlying biological functions. The scientific discipline that investigates the functions and activities of cells, tissues, organs, and systems within an organism, encompassing areas such as metabolism, growth, reproduction, and adaptation. Understanding the physiology of the respiratory system is essential for diagnosing and treating conditions such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and pneumonia. Research in exercise physiology investigates the effects of physical activity and training on muscle function, cardiovascular health, and metabolic processes. Physiological studies of sleep help elucidate the mechanisms underlying sleep-wake cycles, circadian rhythms, and the restorative functions of sleep. The physiology of digestion involves the complex interplay of enzymes, hormones, and muscular contractions in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Physiology explores how the human body maintains homeostasis through the coordination of various physiological systems, such as the nervous, endocrine, and cardiovascular systems. Anatomy as noun. The branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms, especially as revealed by dissection and the separation of parts. The physical structure of a living organism, or any of its parts. The study of human anatomy involves learning about the organs, tissues, and systems that make up the body. The surgeon carefully studied the anatomy of the patient's heart before performing the operation. The anatomy of a frog includes its skeletal structure, internal organs, and muscular system. Comparative anatomy examines the similarities and differences in the anatomical structures of different species. Understanding the anatomy of plants is essential for botanists studying their growth and development. Neurology is noun. The branch of medicine that deals with the study and treatment of disorders of the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. The medical specialty concerned with the diagnosis, management, and rehabilitation of conditions affecting the nervous system. He decided to pursue a career in neurology after witnessing the impact of neurological disorders on his family. The field of neurology encompasses a wide range of conditions, from headaches and seizures to movement disorders and neurodegenerative diseases. She attended a conference on neurology to stay updated on the latest research and treatment options. The neurology department at the hospital specializes in caring for patients with complex neurological conditions. Advances in neurology have led to improved treatments and outcomes for patients with conditions such as stroke and multiple sclerosis. Level up your English. Master vocabulary, idioms, and phrasal verbs with fun quizzes. Translate meanings into 104 languages. Download now. link in the description. Please like and subscribe to our channel.